Hello students, I am Anjali Patel from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we are going to learn Social Science of class 7. In Social Science, we are going to study about the civics lesson number 2, role of the government in health. Children, in previous video, we are learned about the story of Hakim Sheikh. In that story, the none of the government hospital admitted him, and after that they are going to the private healthcare service. And that private healthcare center, they are receive the medical facility, and then after they are recover our body. And after recovery, they are file case against the government. And children, and that question answer we are getting the discussion of why do we pay the taxes to the government. Children, we all are know about that. All Indian people pay the taxes by different way. Like if we are purchase some goods and product, that time we also pay the tax. Not only that, if we are getting the income after we are doing the work, then after we are getting the income, and that time we are also pay the taxes. But question is that we are doing the work, then why we are pay the money to the government? What is the reason of that? The children, in this session we are understand about the taxes. Children, I think thinking about the tax, being the citizen of our country, the government must be provide the healthcare facility. I think I right? Let's see. We pay the tax to the government. We all are know about that. We are already discussed in different form of we are give the different form we are give the tax to the government, and that tax we are give the tax form of money. We are give the money to the government, that is called the tax. But that tax money, government getting the tax money, and that money the government use that money for providing many uh, public services. I think if we are give some money, it means we are also expect that they are give return to us. That is the thinking of common people. The same happen if we are pay the money to the government as a tax, then we are also expect them they are give the public facility. In that public facility or the services like a defense, police, judicial system and highways. Defense, it means we can say that the army. Army, they are a work for the government. Police, that police, they are a law and order maintain. Judicial system, they give the justice to that particular people. And that time, whatever they are doing the work for a government, that time the government give the money as a salary, and that salary they are pay by the taxes, whatever we are give the money to the government. Then after highways also there, we are going to the one place to another, not only one place to another place, we are going to the one state to another state. That time we are use the highways, and that highways built by the government, and we are think about that how to collect the money, how to they are getting the money, and that money already we are pay, and that by the taxes. But children, one more idea is there. Citizen cannot organize this service for themselves. We are not organized by themselves. If as the Indian citizen, we are not organized by self for the only the protection for the ourselves for the police. We are not organized, but that organized only by the government. Understand? Then after, we also hope that we are pay the money, and that time with the help of tax only the developmental program are funded. Whatever we are give the money, that money government use for the developmental program. Developmental program, it means we can say that there is a railways, road and etc. And that is done only by the use of tax money. Then after, government also give the services like education, healthcare, employment, social welfare. vocational training, etc. But children, we all know about that the government also make a public park, and that public park for the all people are come there, that place, and that is also making by the use that money of the taxes and service. The government also give the services like education. So many government hospital are there, so many government school are there. In that school the government also provide the midday meal scheme we are also understand in previous chapter. Healthcare. Now getting the point. Healthcare, it means the government also give the service for the healthcare. It means the Hakim say there are file the case against the government. I think that is the right, because the Hakim say there are believe that being the citizen of your country, I must be provide he must be provide the healthcare facility. Why? The Hakim said there is a regular pay the tax. They are also expect us. Employment. The government will also create the employment. Social welfare. Vocational training, it means there is a skill development. There is like a ITI, and that is also arranged by the government. Why we are expecting from the government? Because we are give the money to the government by the tax, and we also expect them. Simple thinking are there, children. If we are going to the shop, we give the money to the shopkeeper, then we are expect that that shopkeeper give us two product. The same happen if we are give the money to the government, it means we are expect from the government they give the facilities and the services, same like that, are provide through the money collect by the tax. Now the perfect points are clear. Now next say that tax money play a very important role in relief and the rehabilitation work. That point, relief and rehabilitation work, it means in our country so many disaster are coming like earthquake. I give the example, if our area there is a disaster like a earthquake was coming, that time so many problems create to the people, like some people they are broken down the house, so many different type of spoils are there, so many different type of problem are arise. That time the government they also pay the relief, it means the government give the relief by the compensation, they give the money of that. If the any person die in that disaster, that time the government also give the compensation. And not only that, if the so many damages are there, that time the government also arrange the facilities like a migration, it means they are migrate the people to one place to another place. That time the government also use the money of tax, it means we are not think about that how to come money for money, how to come money to the government. There are also we are pay the money for that. It means if we want to all the types of public facility, if we want to do all the types of public facility, enjoying the relief facility and the rehabilitation, it must we give the tax regularly, because if we give the money, then after that money is a come back to the people by the facilities. It means that is the tax government, we are give the tax and government give the facility. I hope now you are understand about the why pay the tax to the government. And so many advertisement are on TV, we are listen that please pay the taxes regularly. Why they are asking? Because they want to the our country was developed, and it is only developed by if we pay the tax regularly. In that, then after we are back us from like a services. There is a one beautiful quotations are given. A fine is a tax for the doing wrong, and a tax is a fine for the doing well. I hope you are understand the today's topic. In next video, in next session, we are understand about the difference between public and private center. What is the difference between of that? Thank you so much.